Hey guys, and welcome to Torque Motors. Today we're going to be doing an oil change in this 2016 TaoTao 125cc pit bike. My materials are here. I have a ratchet with a 17mm socket, a flashlight, a drain catch pan, some paper towel, and a funnel. The oil I'm using today is Castrol Grand Prix 4-stroke 10W40 oil. I've already warmed my bike up to thin the oil so it'll be a lot easier draining it. So we put our drain pan underneath of our drain bolt and we're going to crack it open.
One of the best to ever do it.
So this drain bolt has a magnet at the end, and you can see all the filings, I hope, at the end here, so I will clean that off before installing. And then also left behind was the washer that goes with that drain. I'm going to crack the dipstick to let a little more air into the system. So all the oil is drained out now, and we're going to try to get a better look at this oil fill plug. So you can see there's a whole bunch of black filings at the tip here. This is normal. So let's clean that off. The paper towel. So as you can see, it looks a lot cleaner. Paper towel is all metal shavings. So I just noticed as the oil was draining, the washer that was stuck up into the housing still has fallen into my oil pan. So I'm going to go get a magnet and fish that out. So I've got my magnet here. We're just going to dip it in and find this washer. Here goes plan B. There's our washer. So I've put the drain plug in by hand so I don't cross thread it. And now I'm going to tighten it up. So I've snugged it up. And now we're going to add some oil. So I've already cracked open the dipstick when I was draining the oil to let it flow better. So I'll remove that, give it a quick clean. Insert my funnel. Start pouring my Castrol Grand Prix 4-stroke 10W40 oil in it, which is good for wet clutches. We'll just slowly pour that in. I'll probably pour about 3/4 in and check it. So I've poured about 3/4 in. We'll let that settle for a second and then I will check it with the dipstick. So to check the oil, we're going to put the dipstick in, screw it all the way in, and screw it all the way back out. And it does not even register on the dipstick. So we will keep adding oil. A little bit left in the bottle, so we'll let that settle again and check the oil. You can now see it's about 3/4 of the way full. And we are right at the top of the notches. It's going to be very hard for you to see, but we are right at the top of the notches, which is a perfect level. We're now going to start the bike, run it for a minute or two, and check the level again. We will probably have to add more. So we ran the bike for a couple minutes, revved it up a few times, let that oil flow in and settle into all the crevices. We're going to now take it off, clean it, now insert it again, and check our oil level. We're now at about half. So the oil change is all done. It is now a good time to go around and check all of your bolts, your rear axle, make sure everything's tight, your front axle, your exhaust guards, make sure everything's tight. And that's all. Hope you guys have a good day or night. And until next time, Torque Motors out.